Thank you so much, Top Trends, for sending me all of these super cool fidgets. Oh my goodness. Starting off with this jumbo ice cream poppet. I've wanted one of these for so long. Oh my goodness, the popping sound is amazing. And the other side is even better. Definitely my new favorite poppet. Next is this rainbow cloud one. Oh my goodness, it is amazing. Look at how pretty this one is. I love tie-dye poppets. Lastly is this super loud poppet. It reminds me of 4th of July. And it's loud on both sides. Also this awesome stress ball. And this stress ball called a poopy head.